Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Compass and I will explain to you how you can use the cruise control and what all of these buttons here mean. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now all of this is pretty straightforward. You have like 4 buttons, right? Now the top left button, it's quite straightforward, on or off. So once you press it, you will engage the cruise control and you will see cruise just here on the instrument cluster under the P and R. So that means the cruise control is turned on. If you want to turn it off, again, you will press this button, right? So on, off, that's easy. Now to set it to your desired speed, let's say you're driving 60 miles per hour, and then you will press this button set once. And then you can let go of the gas pedal because the vehicle will drive 60 without slowing down. So that's quite good for highway driving and things like that. In a city, you don't really need to use it. Then what you can do with these 2 buttons, you can adjust your cruise speed. So that means if I press plus button once, I will adjust the speed to 61, 62, 63. If I want to drive slower on a highway, I will press the minus button and I will slow down. Now if something happens and you want to turn off the cruise immediately, every time you press the brake pedal, the set speed will turn off and you will not have your cruise control enabled anymore. So let's say you're driving on a highway and something happens in front of you, you quickly press the brake pedal and the cruise will turn off. Other option is you can press the off button here as well, or you can also press the cancel button. Cancel button will just remove your set speed, but it will not turn off the cruise control. So this is to cancel the speed and this is to completely turn off the cruise control. And once again, every time you touch the brake pedal, your set speed will be turned off. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. But pressing the brake pedal pretty much does the same as this cancel button. It will not turn off the cruise control, it will just clear the set speed. Okay, I hope this will help you. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If it was helpful and educational, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.